Alright, hey guys, this is TCKM. Welcome to another scripting video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a trail for your character in Roblox Studio. You can use this for obstacle courses, simulators, all sorts of things for Roblox. Let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and explore and press the arrow down on starter player. We're going to go ahead and go down to starter character scripts, right click on that and insert an object. Now you can enter a local script if you want, but it only lets you see your trail. Nobody else can see your trail. You can't see anybody else's. I like to go with regular script because everybody can see your trail. You can see everybody else's. Kind of defeats the purpose if you use local script, unless you have a lot of players and you don't want to lag up your game. So let's get right into it. Delete that. Go ahead and put local trail equals Instance.new. Then we're going to put trail. Alright. Next, local att0 equals Instance.new. We're going to put that as attachment. Okay. Forgot to mention, this is case sensitive, so if you are following along, make sure that you always capitalize the right stuff. Like attachment, if you spelled that with a regular lowercase a, it wouldn't work. I don't know why that's doing that. Alright, let's change that to T. Attachments. There we go. Attachment. Alright. Local att1 equals Instance.new. We're going to put that as attachment again. Alright. So, enter twice actually. How we're going to put trail.Parent equals script.Parent.HumanoidRootPart. Alright. There we go. Line 5. Now we're on to line 6. att0.parent equals script.Parent.HumanoidRootPart. Alright, so go ahead and copy this line right here and just paste it down onto the next. All you got to change is att1. Alright, next thing, we're going to put trail. There we go. Lost my keyboard for a second. Attachment 0. Then we're going to put equals att0. Trail.attachment1 equals att1. Alright, good there. Trail.Enabled equals true, because you want to enable the trail. Alright, att0.position, it's already there for us, equals vector3.new, missed that a couple of times, 0.500. Yeah, okay, looks good. att1, actually here, make this easier on ourselves. Copy, paste. Ooh. Paste. Here we go. Change that to 1. Put negative 0.500. Alright, looks good. Let's see if it works. It should. Alright, good deal, it does. Now, if you had a sprinting script put in for your character, then the trail would likely be longer and it would look cooler. Also, I don't know how to make it change colors or make it vertical. So if you do know and you're watching this video, please tell us. That'd be really nice. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple script. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, and you like the video, leave a like. Subscribe if you want to. It really, really, really does help. Also, in the comment section, if you have any scripts that you'd like to know how to make, go ahead and ask. So yeah, it's TCKM. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I'm gonna wait for that to explode. Let's see. Yep. Beautiful. All right. See ya.